Okay, takeoff confirmed.
Confirm.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Takeoff. Manual flex 56, SRS, runway, auto first blue.
Check. Thrust set. $100 knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Check.
Tower, Dreamland 3327. Dreamland 3327 Tower. Any improvement for us?
Check.
Negative, still 1214. Copy, take care.
First climb, auto thrust.
And Swiss 1341, holding short, turning 19 right, Zulu.
Venus departure, good morning, Norway India 321, Upasi 1 Bravo departure, passing 2,700 feet.
Northern 321, Venus approach, good day, radar contact, climb flight level 260 on SID.
On SID up to level 260, Norway India 321.
Northern 321, and due to special weather zone on your route, please expedite climb to flight level 905.
Expedited to 905 by 321.
Okay, 26,000 feet below.
Check.
Climb.
Check.
Flaps on.
05 number X-ray, direct to
Check.
Direct to 0705 number X-ray.
Flap 0.
Speed check. From 0. Maybe stop the speed at 240.
Okay, we can do that. 240.
Yeah.
Speed selected 240.